Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you clicking on this video, and I can promise you're going to learn a lot from today's recipe. So let's get right into it. This recipe is one of the simplest DIY recipes that can help you grow your hair and repair your damaged hair. One thing I love about today's recipe is the fact that the natural ingredient I'm going to use is very easy to find, very affordable, and I think regardless of where you find yourself, you should be able to find this natural ingredient. So today's natural ingredient is hibiscus. If you know where you can find hibiscus and where you are right now, please run and go grab yourself some hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus can help you grow your hair. It has nutrients and vitamins that are going to treat your scalp to help stimulate new healthy hair growth. Guess what? Hibiscus can also treat dandruff. So if you have scalp issues like bacteria, scaly scalp, itchiness, dandruff, name it all, start by applying hibiscus. This powerful natural ingredient works so well with all hair types. Also, hibiscus can strengthen your hair strands. So if you are someone who experiences hair fall, hair shedding, or hair is breaking a lot, start incorporating hibiscus into your hair care routine. It is very easy to find and very simple to use. So make sure you're paying attention to this recipe because I'm going to show you another trick you can use in order to maximize the benefit of this simple recipe. So all I did was I picked about 2 to 3 tablespoons of hibiscus. You don't need much. Hibiscus is very potent, so just a little goes a long way. After that, I just top it up with water. I didn't use any specific measurement when it came to adding the water to this recipe. So you just use according to the quantity you're trying to make. You pop it onto the stove and allow it to boil for approximately 5 minutes. No more than that. Hibiscus releases its nutrients as soon as it gets in contact with heat, so no need to overboil it. Once it starts boiling, you just turn it off, set it aside, and allow it to cool down. In the process of cooling down, it extracts all the nutrients from the hibiscus flowers, and after that, you just need to strain it. That's it. Very easy to make. But it is one thing to know how to make this simple DIY recipe and another to know the best way to use it. So make sure you stay tuned to listen to all the instructions when it comes to using this DIY hair growth recipe. Alright, so this is extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to add a few drops, about half a tablespoon to this recipe. You don't even need much. You can also use any oil of your choice. It can be coconut oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, any oil that works best for your hair. Just make sure it is a plant-based oil. After that, just give it a good stir. Another thing you can also add is any essential oil of your choice. So this is the trick. If you add essential oil to this recipe, it is going to improve the smell of it. Aside that, it is also going to add some benefits to this DIY recipe. Today, I chose to add tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is great for the scalp. It will treat your scalp from dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp issues. Also, tea tree oil, I love the smell. But if you don't love the smell of tea tree oil, feel free to use any essential oil of your choice, peppermint oil, rosemary essential oil, or any of them of your choice. I also added some castor oil. Just reading on the bottle, you will know that castor oil can help condition your hair. And this hibiscus DIY recipe is great when it comes to conditioning your hair. And that is why it is able to prevent hair breakages and also strengthen your hair strands. So if you add castor oil, you don't need much, a few drops, maybe half a tablespoon. or 1 tablespoon, depending on the quantity you are trying to make. And you stir it together and use this on your hair. It will strengthen your hair strands. You will see that after a few uses, your hair is going to be much more thicker, fuller, and you're going to love the texture of your hair. I love this DIY recipe, guys. You should give it a try if you haven't tried anything yet. I'm going to show you the best way to use this, so make sure you're not skipping any part of it. But if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so as you see, I have transferred my recipe into 2 different jars, the mason jar and the spray bottle. There are 2 ways you can use this DIY recipe. I'm also going to show you in a little bit how I store the excess. In case you make too much, I'm going to show you how you are going to store it. So once you have it like so, you are going to use the one in the spray bottle as your everyday use. So this is going to moisturize your hair. You just spray it on your scalp, on your hair strands, and massage it. You then follow with your leave-in conditioner or your hair moisturizer. The one in the mason jar, you're going to use it on your wash day as your hair rinse. So once you are done washing your hair, doing everything with your hair, you pour this all over it and massage it into your hair. Pat dry your hair, then go ahead to moisturize your hair. If you have any leftovers, put it in an ice tray like so, pop it into the freezer and allow it to freeze into ice. Whenever you are ready to use it, allow it to melt. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.